Where's John? I don't see him. I hear him. Yell for John. There he is. I see him in the back. Where is he? Where is he? There he is. He's getting in the truck. John, say hello to Bandit.
Bandit!
She's at the window looking for you. She hears you.
Bandit!
Who's that? Who's that?
Say hello.
Who's that?
Come on, say hello. Hello, Bandit. Hello, Bandit. I ain't moving. I'm still here. I'm still here.
Who's that, Bandit?
Come on.
She heard you. She just wanted to see you.
What you doing, Bandit?